This is a very quick video just showing what I would say is the standard approach to solving a quadratic inequality. This is particularly for my students because I find that this is very unevenly taught with lots of different ways of explaining it, and this seems to be a very clear way that my students like. So hi if you're one of my students. If not, hopefully this is useful. Look, I've already basically written it out. So the first thing I did was I made the equation, or the inequality, have a 0 on the right hand side. And then I sketched this, hence, which is, I've sketched it here. And then by looking at the graph, I worked out, where is this greater than 0? Because that's what we're after. And I've coloured it in here where it's greater than 0. So that's in two spots, where x is less than -4 and where x is greater than -1. Pop quiz. To solve a quadratic inequality, do we factorize it? Answer, no, we don't. To solve a quadratic inequality, we draw a graph. It just happens that to draw a graph, it's usually easier to factorize it. Okay. And in fact, kind of any more advanced inequality, you can generally solve it by drawing a graph. And how you draw the graph, well, it depends, doesn't it? There's lots of different ways of drawing graphs. It just happens for this kind of quadratic equation, expression, x squared plus 5x plus 4, we draw a graph by factorizing it.